Man, this wind is absolutely ripping here at Black Point today. It's going to make it tough for all these captains as they approach the dock. And let's see how our first captain does as he makes his approach toward the dock. Coming in a little hot, actually. He's probably going to have to brake check this one. Look out. Hang on. Oh, and we hit the side of the dock. But Cap's going to lose it. He's going to break this one back. And as soon as he does, they're going to have to reapproach this all over again. It's gonna be an interesting day. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are at Black Point, and I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the windiest days I've seen at Black Point. This wind's gonna have gusts over 20 miles an hour, which is likely gonna make for a fun day. Look at this. You can see the wind is just ripping. Our crew's making an approach on the dock, but I don't think they have a chance, man. He's trying to approach, and the wind's just grabbed him and is carrying them away. And Cap, yeah, now he's done. As soon as you hit reverse in this kind of wind, you're gone, bro. So our guys coming back in, they're going to make another attempt at this. And I'm guessing they're going to try and pick another dock now, because this is not one of those days you're going to want to try and dock into the wind. And here we go. They're looking to make an approach. And Cap's coming in at a pretty good angle. Let's see if they can keep this approach rolling. Man, you can tell he's all over the wheel and the throttle, though. Nerves are in as this wind is just absolutely ripping. And we've tossed a fender in the water. I don't think it had a line on it, though. So they lost the fender. One of the few people we see down here at Black Point that actually pulls one out, but they just toss it in the water. They didn't even have the line ready to go. And here we go. And Cap leaves the helm. But I mean, it's not going to matter here. The wind's ripping so hard that it's just going to push him into the dock and hold him there. But damage is done as they lose a fender in the process as well. As once again, they tried to pull it out. Good move, just there was no line on it. Our crew's trying to back down. This looks like a brand new boat. I don't see any registration letters on it. And this crew's been at the process for a few moments now. And here we go, making our approach. And they just seem confused. Wifey got out of the Jeep, though, and she's actually over here talking to Black Point security. And they're yelling back at the boat now. And security's trying to help them out. I just noticed it, too. Security was yelling at them. They've still got the straps on. So they were starting to back down, but the stern straps are still attached to the trailer. And our guy gets out of the truck and like, what are you yelling about, bro? But he's just trying to help you out, man. And there we go. Quickly realizes it. And we'll get this one ready to go. Good catch behind the security guard here at Black Point. I didn't even see it either. So we'll get these ones put away and still continue to make our attempt. Like I said, this crew looks pretty green in the gills. I'm just guessing this is a brand new boat, and this is probably their first time trying to launch it. So Wifey comes back over. And our Black Point security guard's going to come over and probably give him a few pointers. Looks like he's trying to explain the lay of the land a little bit. But it's funny, when he first yelled at him, the driver got pretty defensive quick. I don't think he knew what he was saying. And the guys down here at Black Point are always pretty helpful. And it looks like, yeah, he's just explaining the whole process to him. Like, bro, you're going to launch here, you're going to go park over there, and then when you come back, you're going to hit the dock. I mean, if we're lucky. So he's unhooking the bow eye, so we're going to make a full commit on this one. And here we go, we're ready to attempt this again. But it definitely feels like there's still a little confusion here. I think they still had the safety chain on. In other words, they took the main chain off the winch strap, and the safety chain was still on. The Black Point security guard pointed that one out. And here we go. We should be ready for launch attempt number 2. And here we go again. It looks like Black Point's trying to claim another victim as our guy is stuck on the ramp. So they're trying to winch it back a little further up onto the trailer to try and get a little more weight on the tongue. Let's see if that's the solution. And you can tell we've got somebody on the bumper already, ready to roll. And they're letting the other truck get by. And here we go. And no. Gotta be careful, he's actually sliding backwards. And that's never a good sign. He may have to come back down and get a running start at this one. And it looks like we're adding somebody else. Here we go, everybody's jumping. Let's see if they can get the traction they need to get out of here. And no, he's going to try and get himself a little bit of a running start, which is probably what I recommend on this one. Especially when you're sliding backwards. The sliding backwards is always a bad sign. And here we go. He's got a little momentum this time. Can he carry it through? Give her hell. And he's almost over the hump. And there we go. And they'll get this one set up and get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.